Hi there. Today, I'll show you how to use the Customer Relationship Management template available on our website, SpreadsheetsHub.com. It helps you organize your contacts, track interactions, and manage your leads more efficiently, all in one place. Before getting started, take a moment to read the instructions on the first page. They'll guide you through how to use the template effectively. The first step shows how to specify the main categories for creating drop-down lists. The next section explains how to analyze key data on projects, clients, and subscriptions. Next, it shows how to fill out and analyze the data on the lead generation sheet. The step shows how to enter project data and how to analyze their statuses. The step explains how to fill out the task tracker and how it helps you stay organized, track progress, and manage tasks more efficiently. The next step shows how to enter data into the communication log table. This section explains how to set up customer feedback and analyze the results. The section explains how to enter data for the marketing campaign and analyze it. This step explains how to enter subscription data and track it. Go to the settings sheet. Before entering the basic information, select the year and the base currency. In the Categories section, specify the data for the listed sections. Enter the data for the client type category. In this table, you can classify your clients by type, such as small business owners, freelancers, nonprofit organizations, retail businesses, or any others. Enter the data for the product or service category. In this table, you can list the products, services, or projects associated with each client, such as budget planner, CRM template, rental model, or any other offerings. Enter the data for the status category. In this table, simply list the possible statuses for each project, product, or service, such as not started, in progress, delivered, overdue, or canceled. Enter the data for the client status category. In this table, simply list the possible statuses for your clients, such as active, inactive, onboarded, lost, on hold, or follow-up. Enter the data for the lead or client source category. In this table, simply list the sources through which your leads or clients come, such as Fiverr, Upwork, Instagram, Facebook, or any other channels. Enter the data for the priority category. In this table, simply list the priority levels for your projects, products, or services, such as low, medium, high, or very high. Enter the data for the client communication category. In this table, simply list the types of communication you use with your clients, such as meeting, video conference, in-person, or any other methods. Enter the data for the rating category. In this table, simply list the rating levels for your projects, products, or services, for example, from 1 to 5. Enter the data for the campaign objectives category. In this table, simply list the objectives for each campaign, such as awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, or sales. Enter the data for the campaign status category. In this table, simply list the possible statuses, such as active, inactive, completed, or canceled. Enter the data for the subscription service category. In this table, simply list the subscription services, such as Learn Google Sheets, Learn Excel, Learn Investing, Learn Power BI, Learn Crypto, or any other services. Enter the data for the subscription status category. In this table, simply list the possible statuses for each subscription, such as active, inactive, or canceled. You can specify up to 50 categories in each block. Go to the client lead sheet. Enter the client data in the table below. Enter the date. Enter the business. Choose the category. The drop-down list is generated based on the data specified on the settings sheet. Specify the contact person. Enter the email and address. Select the lead source. Select the decision. Let's enter more information. Select the year and the analysis data will update automatically. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's return to the model. In this section, it is possible to view the total number of clients. This chart shows the breakdown of orders by lead source. It helps you quickly see which sources bring the most orders, so you can focus your efforts where they matter most. This chart shows the number of orders by category. It helps you quickly see which categories are performing best, so you can focus on the most profitable or popular products. This chart shows the breakdown of orders by decision, a quick way to see which choices lead to the best outcomes and guide your next steps. Go to the project tracker sheet. This sheet is for entering project details. Enter the start date. Select the client. The drop-down list is generated based on the clients listed on the lead generation sheet. Select the project and select the source. For these categories, the drop-down lists are generated based on the data specified on the settings sheet. Enter the amount. Select the currency. The amount in this column is calculated automatically. Select the priority. Select the status. Enter the deadline. Select the invoice status. Let's enter more data. You can also specify transactions in any currency, and the amounts will be automatically converted to the base currency at the current exchange rate. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue, and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells, as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data and click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. Move on to the analysis section. First, you need to select the year for which you want to view the analysis. This section shows the summary data for paid projects. This chart shows the total payments for projects broken down by source. It helps you quickly see which sources contribute most to your revenue, so you can focus on the most profitable channels. This chart shows the breakdown of projects by status. This chart shows the total payments by category. It helps you quickly see which categories generate the most revenue, so you can focus on the most profitable products, services, or projects. Go to the task and follow-up sheet. On this sheet, you can list your tasks to keep everything under control. Enter the task. Select the client. Select the product. Select the status. Enter the start date. Select the priority. Enter the due date. Let's enter more data. Select a year, and the charts will update automatically. This table shows the 5 tasks with the earliest due dates. This chart shows the number of tasks by status. This chart shows the breakdown of tasks by priority. It helps you quickly see which tasks need the most attention, prioritize your work effectively, and ensure that high priority tasks are completed on time. This chart shows the breakdown of tasks by client, a clear way to track client workload, balance your tasks, and deliver on time. Go to the communication log sheet. You can enter communication details on this sheet. Enter the date, select the client, Select the project. Select the type of communication. Enter more details. The table above shows the last 5 meetings. In this section, select a client. The table below shows a list of meetings for that client. This helps you stay organized, quickly review all past and upcoming meetings, and ensure you never miss an important appointment. Go to the customer feedback sheet. On this sheet, you need to enter customer reviews. Select the date. Select the client. Select the product. Select the rating. Provide additional feedback. Enter more information. Moving on to the analysis section. Select the year. This table shows the 5 most recent reviews. This chart shows the feedback rating by month. It helps you track client satisfaction over time, identify trends, and take action to improve your services. This chart shows the product ratings. It helps you quickly see which products are performing best, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to enhance your offerings. Go to the marketing campaign sheet. On this sheet, you can enter and analyze data related to marketing campaigns. Enter the start date. Specify the campaign. Select the type. The drop-down list is generated based on the data entered on the settings sheet. Select the end date. Select the status. Enter the budget. Enter the views, clicks, and conversions. The data in the columns is calculated automatically. Enter more data. Select the year. In this table, the first 5 companies are listed by completion date. This chart shows cost per click and cost per conversion data by company. It helps you quickly identify which companies have the most efficient campaigns, optimize your ad spend, and make data-driven marketing decisions. This chart shows the breakdown of companies by status. This chart shows marketing expenses by type. Go to the subscription sheet. Enter all subscriptions and memberships in the table below. Enter the start date. Select the client. Select the subscription. The drop-down list is generated based on the data specified on the settings sheet. Select the billing cycle. Select the status. Check the auto-renew box. Enter the end date. Enter the revenue. The data in the total revenue column is calculated automatically. Select the year. This section provides general information about subscriptions. This chart shows subscription revenue by category. This chart shows the number of subscriptions by status. This chart shows your monthly subscription revenue, helping you track recurring revenue and identify trends over time. Go to the main dashboard sheet. This sheet provides an overview of all the data listed. Select the year. In the top section, you can see the number of projects, clients, total revenue, number of tasks, and average client rating. This table shows the last 5 reviews, allowing you to quickly monitor recent reviews. The table displays the last 5 communications with customers, helping you stay up to date with recent interactions. The table includes the latest 5 subscriptions. This chart shows monthly revenue, helping you monitor performance and identify trends. This chart shows the revenue breakdown by product, allowing you to see how much each product contributes to total revenues. Moving on to the client lead generation section. In this section, you can select Decision to view client data in the table. This table shows detailed customer information. This chart shows the number of clients by category, helping you understand client distribution across different segments. This chart shows the number of client orders by status, allowing you to track order progress and identify bottlenecks. Moving on to the Project Tracker section. In this section, you can filter projects by status. This chart shows the amounts by customer sourcing sources. In this table, you can view a breakdown by project. The project distribution chart shows revenue by project, helping you compare project performance and identify top contributors. Moving on to the Tasks Tracker section. In this section, you can select a filter by priority. This chart shows the number of tasks by status, helping you quickly track progress and stay organized. This chart shows the breakdown of tasks by priority, helping you identify high priority items and manage workload effectively. You can view the details of the tasks in this table. And one technical point: if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try the template by adding your own data. You'll see how easy it is to manage clients, track interactions, and stay organized. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.